Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some wart remover. And so we're gonna show you what's inside of this little box here. This is so small. And so I guess it's also for other things as well. It can work for corns and plantar warts, corns, calluses, flat warts, and common warts. So that's it there. I'll open it up and show you all what you get in here in this little kit. And we will explain kind of how it works. So you get your, the little cotton swabs, you get a whole bunch of those, and then you get the stuff itself, and it is just in a little bottle here. There's no dropper or anything like that, so I'm guessing you would put this little swab in there and then rub it all over your particular wart. I don't have any warts to show you, but you get the idea, and that's kind of how it will work. So how cool is that? So wart remover, and nice little convenient little one here. And if you have some warts, you get this stuff here to get rid of it. Thumbs up.